Hello guys, it's Mokobe here. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how to deactivate your thread profile account. Let's get into the video. So, the first thing you need to do is that you simply click on this three horizontal line. After which you click on account. Once you're there, you click on deactivate profile. After which you simply click on deactivate thread profile. After that, you click on deactivate. So you need to wait. So guys, that's actually the way you deactivate your threads profile account. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section below. We love you all. See you in the next tutorial. Peace out.